Friends, thank you for coming back to join me. How are you today? Hope you're doing wonderful. Well, this is what I did to my canvas. Light blue, came in with some yellow and blue together. Will go into like a greenish look, as you can see here. And that's really what I wanted for my background. You can have your background any way that you want, but I thought we could do some flowers today. The brushes that I have are some small flat, okay, and I have some angular brushes. Okay, and I thought I'd put out a few different colors. I have some gold, dark green, white, yellow, lime green, and a red. So I'm going to come in with some dark green tip underneath, right? Okay, and I'm going to go and have it where I'm just going to flick a few like this. They're going to be smaller through here. I hope everyone is having a fabulous time. I know I am. Now, closer. Okay. What I'm going to do closer, I'm going to have them where, there you go. They're just going to run up higher than the smaller ones we did in the back, because this is closer to us. And I have not decided whether or not I want to do a fence, so maybe in step 2 I'll do a fence. So here we go. Now flip it back this way, point down, come in, there you go. Fill that in a little bit. Okay, and that's with an angular brush, which happens to be, again, you know, my favorite. Now, hope you're having a lot of fun painting and doing your videos. Right now, we're just doing some leaves. Okay, there you go. There you go. Just a few leaves on here. Kind of give you an idea. On the bottom, I'm going to flip this over, tip down, come up a little bit, a little shorter on the bottom. Now I'm going to get, okay, these a little bit more round off. All right, let's see. I'm going to dab some white. And I'm going to come like this, down. And friends, you can always wait and make sure everything is dry. Okay, if you want. Again, you can make your background any way that you want. And that goes for the flowers too. Make your flowers any way that you want. Okay, maybe we'll, let's do a small one here on the bottom. This is just giving you a little bit of an idea. And now I have a very, very small angular brush. And I'm just going to come in with, let me see, maybe some of that gold. Right there. I'm just going to dab that in. I just felt like doing a little flowers today. Let me see, yes. I'll dab that like this. Okay. Now, I like to work with the same kind of brush. I'm trying to save time from keep wiping it off. Now we're going to come in with some red. I give you some ideas now. Let's do some little reds, maybe some small ones in the background. And again, you can make your flowers any way that you want. But I think I'm going to make a fence on step number 2. And that'll be exciting. There you go. We're just going to give that right now some colors. And if you can make it flowers, you can make it flowers any color that you want. If you have different flowers you want to do, that's fine. Flowers make you happy. I'm just going to put a little white in that. And also, with my lime green, I'm going to come in, and you know I love to do this. I love to do my light right over my dark. Okay, my light over my dark. And get some little bit of that white on there. Yeah, that'll really help that pop. Yeah, just dab that like that through there. Now you can make as many flowers as you want. You still got the little sky in the background. I added a little white, small white with the paint, went over it lightly to give it that cloud that's flat. But I like the background, but you can do your background any way that you would love to do that. Let me see, a little yellow down here. Look at that, that pops right out. Looks so pretty. We're just gonna give that a little dab. Okay, I'll come in a little white with that. And I know with the blue, I have a pointer brush. Oh, I didn't put the blue out. Okay, well, what we'll do is we can take a pointer brush and just do a couple little things like this dab. Friends, please come back to step number 2. I'm going to put a fence in. I hope everybody's doing well. I am having a wonderful time. See you at step number 2, friends, okay? Alrighty. Have a great day. Bye-bye.